Hello everybody. This video will give a overview of the Learning Organizer and the Annotated Bibliography, which are components of the Exploration project. So if you take a look at the syllabus, it's going to be on page 7, 8 in that range. As you know, the entire project is driven by the question. But what we're going to be talking about today is the Annotated Bibliography and the Learning Organizer specifically. So in the syllabus, you will find some descriptions of what an annotated bibliography is. I do not know if everybody has written one, so I'm going to get into a little detail, provide some additional resources for those that are looking for some additional information. So if you take a look at the syllabus, this is where it is located. Just want to point out a couple of things. In the annotated bibliography, I'm looking for at least 3 high-quality sources. So you could use one, could be the text, but I'm looking for some additional resources also. APA formatting, I have already sent out a video on APA formatting and sources for additional information. So I'm going to switch right now and go to another window. Now I am looking at an additional or new window, and this is just a sample. This is from I think a couple years back. It was a student, and I just put my name in it to protect their identity. This was a very simple, and I would say it's an excellent annotated bibliography and also a learning organizer. Now when you're submitting this assignment, and please refer to the syllabus for the due date of this assignment, I'd like you to combine the annotated bibliography with the learning organizer. And I'll give an overview of what this student submitted, because it's really a good example of what I'm looking for. So in this, the question should be everywhere that you can put it. This is the top of the annotated bibliography. The question is teaching adolescents and children the same as adults? That's a great question for this project. You can see this is her first resource. And then really what I'm looking for is a paragraph. Just something describing what you found in this resource, maybe some professional implications, or just it's really an overview. And here's a great format to follow. 1 resource, 2, and I do apologize, there's some shading in here. I was having some trouble getting it out. This is the 3rd resource. This person put in 4, put in 5 resources. Take a look at this. I'm going to post this also on our website as a great example, and that's about what I'm looking for. You can also take another look at a YouTube video that I posted that gets into a little more detail on annotated bibliographies. Now we're going to shift gears and take a look at the learning organizer that's also part of this assignment. So once again, the format, the question is up here, your student name or your name, and it's a learning organizer. Why is this question important? Why is this important for adult education? How will you use this question? And then here's the nuts and the bolts of a learning organizer. What will you be doing? So the first thing the student will be doing, or having us do, is view a PowerPoint, discussion questions, and then responding to each other on the discussion board. This is really up to you. You could do anything that you want. Viewing a PowerPoint, you could do a podcast, you could do a video you want us to watch. You could do anything that you want in here. What are the goals? Here's the goals for the student. So with this assignment, you really don't need to go overboard. This is just a detailed description of why the question's important, and basically what are you going to be doing? Meaning, how are you going to facilitate our discussion? So that is it. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I will post these on the website, and that's about it for now. Good luck with this assignment, and let me know if you have any questions.